Good evening, Mr. Today we will be presenting about our assembly project, which is called the Spike.asm. It is We use the assembly language to create this game. So next, this is our group members. We have Kirtanasri, Ridia, Erickson, Eunice, and Patin. So here is our introduction. Um, This game is actually a fast-paced volleyball game built in x86 assembly, delivering a retro arcade experience with smooth gameplay and classic DOS style visuals. Players can compete against AI or challenge a friend in two-player mode, aiming to keep the ball in play and score points without it touching the ground. Next is with dynamic mechanics like jumping, spiking, and blocking. The game tests reflexes and strategy as the pace intensifies. Physics-based ball movement adds realism, making each rally unpredictable. Beyond gameplay, volleyball.asm showcases efficient low-level programming, including hardware manipulation, keyboard input handling, and VGA graphics. It serves as both an engaging game and an educational tool for learning assembly level game development and optimization. Next. Okay, so here is our implementation. Our Spike ASM is a simple volleyball game with a structured implementation. So the playing area consists of a court with a net at the center, created using a loop that places 5 pixels. Two players represented as colored pixels must enter their names before the game starts automatically. The ball follows basic physics gravity, causing it to fall and reset upon hitting the ground. While collision detection is minimal, future improvement can enhance interaction. Players control movement using the A, W, S, and D keys on the keyboard, while pressing ESC to exit the game. A delay function ensures a smooth gameplay by regulating animation speed. Planned enhancements include a scoring system, AI opponents, bouncing mechanics, sound effects, and optimized graphics using DMA for better performance, making the Spike Volleyball ASM a more engaging and polished game. Next.
Next is I'm going to explain about the Chrome procedures. First, for the init game. First, it will display the main menu. It can allow players to enter their names with up to 5 characters. And we'll wait for the player input, where they can press 1 to enter chat mode or press 2 to start the game. Next is player control. Players can move by pressing A keys to move left, W to move up, S to move down, and D to move right. And we can detect the escape keys to exit the game. Next is level progress. Level 1 it has standard ball speed. Level 2 it will include ball speed after meeting condition, for example, score threshold. Next, next one is update ball. Player score will increase when the ball collides with the wall. Next is post and set mode. Players can press S5 keys to pause game, and then we enter chat mode. In the chat mode, players can send messages, and they can return, and they also provide an option to return to the game, and escape keys to resume the game. And lastly is exiting. Players can press escape key to quit the game or press F4 key to return to the main menu.
Okay, uh, today I will walking you through the design of a game flowchart. This chart is essential for understanding how the game transitions through its various steps from start to finish. Okay, let's start with the main menu. As you can see, the game begins by displaying a menu with two options, chat mode and level selection. Depending on the player input, the program transitions into the respective mode. Okay, In chat mode, player can communicate until they decide to exit by pressing the escape key. This mode is designed to facilitate interaction before starting the game. Once players select Start Game, they are prompted to input their names and choose a level. Player names are limited to specific number of characters to simplicity. Okay, for game loop, the core gameplay began with the game loop. Players use the keyboard control to move A for left, W for up, S for down, and D for right. They can also pause the game by pressing the FS key. Okay, pause and check winner. During a pause, player can review their move and their system check for a winner. If a winner is determined, the game is transitioned to the end state. Otherwise, player can resume or exit. Okay. To sum up, this flowchart ensures a seamless gaming experience by clearly defining each transition and interaction. From the main menu to the end game is a well-structured program design. Thank you.
So the next one, I'm going to explain about the interface of our game. So this is the main, the display of our game. So the next one, we can press 1 to go to the chat mode, and then press 2 to the play mode. So so this is the after the players. So we will tell who's the winner. So over here is a player 2 is the winner. So if they want to play again, they have to press 1 to replay the game. So the next one, this is the display when we want to enter our name for the game. So we have to add only 5 letters. Okay. And the next one is the display of when we want to play the game. So we have to press 2 to start the game. And then to play this one, the display when we want to choose the level of the game. So if we want to play the level 1, we have to press 1, and then if we want to play the level 2, we have to press 2.
Alright, so now I'll explain how the game works. First of all, you choose, like how Fatin explained just now, you have to choose the level, press 2. Then you will get this. Press 2 to start the game, and then you'll enter your name. You can enter up to 5 characters. Then press 2 to start, and the game will start. As you can see here, the name is displayed here, here also, then here's the score. Then this is how the game works. There's a net. And they will like move the characters using AWSD. Yeah. Okay, so it hit the floor. So now you get 1. That's how it works. Now you can chat by after pressing F4. You can pause the game, then you can chat, then escape to resume. The score is increasing. Then F5 to exit the game. So if you press 1, you can go to the chat mode. Then if you press level 1, you can like enter your name again. Yeah, this is the speed of the ball in level 1. It's pretty standard, but the characters are still at the same speed. And this is pretty much how a game works. And these are the links of the references that we've used to create our game. And that's all from our team. Thank you.